What's up, everybody? It's Andrew from Ori. I'm out here at our Ori Experience Suite in Hudson Yards in New York. And I'm really excited because Monica, aka the FoodieFitNerd of TikTok fame, is visiting New York for the first time, is going to be staying with us at the Experience Suite this weekend. Here, making sure everything's ready to go for her, and then we're going to go downstairs and meet her. We're going to get her reactions to the space, and then since she is the FoodieFitNerd, we are going to go get some food at Little Spain in Hudson Yards and bring you along for the ride. So let's go check it out. Hey, welcome to New York. All right, it's Monica. She's in New York, straight from Texas. She's gonna go upstairs, check out the apartment, get settled, and see you at dinner. All right, later.
Look at this kitchen. Is this the kitchen? Got a Keurig? Yes. I love the farm sinks. These are my favorite. And then mocha Monica flowers. A gas stove top. Got a fridge here. Put my food and drinks in there. And a freezer. And the Ori cloud. If you guys see me with the Ori Pocket Studio, this is the Ori cloud and I'm obsessed with this and I'm so excited to experience it. And look at this view. Look at this view. This is gonna be exciting just to wake up in the morning to this. Let's check out the bed. Let's check it out, let's check it out. Having a soft landing. A nap sounds nice after a long flight from Texas. Let's give it a shot. Didn't jump high enough. Oh, this is comfy. Just like a cloud. All right, and we also have the pocket office and a pocket closet. Let's check out the office. Look how cold this office is. It's so pretty. And look at that corner. It's like a little nook. And then if you're ever working, there's the desk right there. Oh, roll on in. And a lot of cabinets, a lot of storage. Really great books. This is so neat, so sleek. It's very sexy, very. Okay, now let's check out the closet. Hi, there's a mirror. That's awesome. Look how spacious this is. And like you could put your shoes here or linens. Clothes hanging there, folded clothes there. There's a robe. I can hang my stuff up here. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. Look how spacious this is. Like, look. And then the TV, it's a picture frame with a TV. This is freaking awesome. Okay, let's just sit on the couch so you guys can see what it's like. Let's put it back. Look at it go. I get to stay with a cloud in New York. How cool is this? Oh, the couch is nice too. This is comfy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go take a nap and I'll see y'all at dinner. Bye. up and we're going out to dinner. But before we go, look at this sunset view.
You didn't capture me trying to get out of that chair. It was a little embarrassing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just rolling, huh?
Just roll with it.
If you didn't know, two of our co-founders, our CEO Asier and Ivan, one of our engineers, are both from the same town in Spain. And so, since we're with Monica, who's a big foodie, we're going to pay homage to our Spanish roots by eating at the Spanish diner here at Hudson Yards. So they sent us a whole list of recommendations of things to check out and try. So let's do it.
Something we really love about Ori Expandable Apartments is they take away a lot of the compromises you typically deal with in urban living. So typically if you want to be in the middle of everything, you're going to have a really cramped apartment without much space, but an expandable apartment gives you more functionality while you still get to live in the city center and be close to all the things you love. And the Ori Experience Suite is no different. We're just down the block from all these great spots at Hudson Yards.
All right, so we got the patatas bravas. This came suggestion from Ivan. We have the croquetas del dia. This is what Asier said everyone's grandma makes them. And then of course you got your jamon and some nice fancy cheese. Let's do it. I asked for recommendations from Asier and he said we gotta get the jamon. He said forget prosciutto. This is the real deal. He's not wrong. That's really good. All right, not satisfied with one cured meat. We got two cured meats. Now we're going chorizo.
Don't forget to subscribe to Ori's channel to find more tours and vlogs. Also follow me on TikTok, FoodieFitNerd. If you want to find an Ori living near you, check the link in the description. Thanks, bye!